How do you clean AC coils with vinegar?
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to be diving into the world of air conditioner maintenance. Specifically, we'll be discussing how to clean your AC coils using a simple household ingredient, vinegar. Regular cleaning of your AC coils can enhance the efficiency of your air conditioner, improve your indoor air quality, and even lower your energy bills. So, let's get started.
Why should you clean your AC coils?
Your AC's coils are essential components that allow the unit to cool your home effectively. Over time, dust, grime, and other contaminants can build up on these coils, reducing their efficiency. This not only makes your AC work harder, raising your energy bills, but can also degrade your indoor air quality. Regular cleaning is crucial, and one safe and cost-effective way to do this is by using vinegar.
What will you need?
To clean your AC coils with vinegar, you'll need the following: white vinegar, warm water, a spray bottle, a soft brush, protective gloves, a mask, optional. Remember, safety is paramount, so ensure you're properly equipped before you start.
How to safely access your AC coils?
Firstly, ensure that your air conditioner is turned off and unplugged to avoid any risk of electric shock. Remove the outer casing of your unit to expose the coils. For central air conditioning units, you might need a screwdriver to do this. Note, every AC model is different, so consult your user manual if you're unsure how to access the coils.
How to clean your AC coils with vinegar?
Now that you have your tools ready and your coils exposed, it's time to get to the cleaning part. Follow these steps. 1. Mix equal parts warm water and white vinegar in your spray bottle. 2. Spray the solution generously onto the coils. Make sure all parts of the coil are covered. 3. Let the solution sit for about 10 to 15 minutes to loosen the dirt and grime. 4. Use the soft brush to gently scrub off the loosened dirt. Be careful not to damage the coils with too much pressure. 5. Rinse off the coils with clean water. Ensure that you don't leave any vinegar solution behind, as this could cause corrosion over time. 6. Dry the coils as much as possible with a clean cloth, then allow them to air dry completely before reassembling your unit and plugging it back in. There you have it, folks. A simple, cost-effective way to clean your AC coils using household vinegar. Regular maintenance like this can help ensure your air conditioner continues to run efficiently and effectively, providing you with cool, clean air. We hope this guide has been helpful. Happy cleaning!